So the next thing we're going to do is called spinal restoration. So what we're going to do is take the roller and place it just below your lowest ribs. Your legs are about shoulder width apart again, feet flat on the floor. You're going to take your hands behind your head, lift your hips up, and then from here, you're going to take your upper body slightly back, supporting your head, and you're going to pull with the soles of your feet so that your roller rolls over your shoulder blades. And then you'll push with your feet so the roller rolls down towards your lowest ribs. And again, you're going to pull and push. Keeping your pelvis up, knees reaching forward, and you might even feel a wonderful stretch in the front of your thighs as your knees reach forward. Try to keep your feet flat on the floor as you do this. And just nice, deep, steady breaths. Let's do a couple more passes. One more time. And then lower your hips down and sit yourself up. Okay. So now we've done a lot of work on the back, opening up the spine, lengthening the spine. And what we also want to do is pay attention to the front of the body as well, like the shoulders and the chest. This next exercise is called front shoulder release. So I'm going to lay with my head this way. And I'm going to take my roller so it's perpendicular with my body. And I'm going to place my roller right underneath the front of my left shoulder. And I'm going to have my left arm out to the side, palm down. And then my other arm is perpendicular to my roller. And I just have it here for support. And then from here, I'm just going to rotate my arm so that now my palm faces up. And then I rotate my arm so my palm faces down. So I'm just massaging the anterior deltoid, which is your shoulder muscle. And as you do so, just breathe. Allow your legs to be long, pelvis anchored to the floor, and just draw your belly in. Let's do one more rotation in both directions. And now let's do the same thing on the other side. So I take my roller to the other side. My arm reaches out, so my right arm is going to reach out. Left arm is down supporting. And then slowly rotate the arm all the way from the shoulder. So you want to feel this rotation from the shoulder joint. And then that translates all the way down to your fingertips. Take your time. Let's do two more. Last one, I believe. Whew. All right. Love that. Okay, so now I'm going to take my roller and just place it ahead of me just for a little bit. And now you're just going to grab hold of your little ball. We're going to do a targeted chest release. So when the chest muscles are tight, they can pull the shoulders forward. And if the upper back muscles are weak and stretched, that can allow the shoulders to pull forward. So we want to try to open up the chest muscles so that as we work to strengthen our back, the shoulders can actually pull back and it will improve our posture. And also the way that we breathe as well. So go ahead and take your tennis ball and you're going to place it in the corner of your chest. And then you're going to take your other hand, my right arm, I'm going to bend it and I'm going to place my face on the hand, and I'm going to turn towards my long arm that's by my side. And then from here, I'm just going to draw an arc with my arm out to the side and then up towards my roller. And then slowly return. So basically, you are pinning your pectoral muscle with the ball. And as you reach your arm away from your body, you're stretching the muscle. In massage, we call this a pin and stretch. So this is a great way to provide a myofascial release in your chest. And let's do it one more time. Fantastic. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Take your ball to the other side of your chest. Rest your head down, arm down by the side of your body. And then slowly arc the arm. And just notice the different sensations you might be feeling from one side to the other. And also where in this range of motion you feel the most amount of restriction or tenderness. And if you happen to feel any restriction in your range of motion, just listen to your body. Try not to push yourself farther than your body is ready to go. Let's do one more. Fantastic. All right.